Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Legion to gather information about a target host in Kali Linux. Legion is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of information gathering tasks, such as scanning for open ports, identifying services, determining operating systems, and more. Enter the target host IP address or host name in the target field. Select the scan options that you want to use. Click on the Scan button to start the scan. The scan results will be displayed in the Results tab. That's it. This is a basic overview of how to use Legion to gather information about a target host. Thank you for watching.